Today we are going to make electrolyte water at home for way less than the cost of the brands that you can buy at the store. And it is so easy. I have been doing it for quite some time now. I can't tell you how easy it is. The reason why I got into it is a number of reasons. One, I work out at the gym and it's just a really great way to fuel your muscles when you're at the gym, to keep your body hydrated so that when you're sweating, it just keeps your muscles hydrated. The other thing is I tend to get headaches and migraines, and this is really great if you experience that as well. And the third reason is it just kind of keeps your energy going in a better way than just water. So that is one of the reasons I got into it. The other is I actually did try the store brand ones at the advice of my personal trainer. I'm not a physician, I'm not a medical doctor, this isn't medical advice. I tried it, and number one, they're about $1.50 a piece, and this is 15 cents a serving, so the price difference is huge. And what I found was these, and I don't know why, but for me, they trigger migraines. I don't know whether it's the ingredients in them, whether it's because they're too sweet for me, even though they're sweetened not with sugar, but natural ingredients. I don't know. So for me, these ones in particular didn't really work that well for me, but making them on my own where I can control the ingredients, I know what's in them, worked way better for me. So let's do it because it's so easy. All the ingredients are listed below. You can click on the links all below and you can get them for yourself. So all you're gonna do is you need water, a juice of some kind that's high in vitamin C. I chose guava juice. It's actually higher in vitamin C than orange juice because, again, I get migraines, and orange juice, if you get migraines, they are a migraine trigger. So guava juice, high in vitamin C. Another trick that I've been using instead of juice is just half a lemon, so you don't even have to use juice. And you can sweeten it as much as you want or a little as you want. We'll get to that. You can need some salt. I'm using sea salt today. You could also use Himalayan salt. You need some potassium chloride and magnesium citrate. Okay, so you're gonna need about 3 cups of water. I've done this so many times, I can just eyeball it now. So it's to about there. And then you're going to want your juice. And as I said, you can do it to taste. You can do a cup, you can do half a cup. I am happy with 1/3 a cup. I really do not do well with a lot of juice, sweetener, or whatever, and that has just been the right amount for me. Okay, then you're gonna want the recipe. So we're following Element's recipe, calls for half a teaspoon of salt. To me, it's too much. It's so salty. I went down to 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but you see, this is the nice thing about it. You can really make it so that it works for you. For the potassium chloride, you need 1/8 of a teaspoon. So this is a 1/4 one, so that's about half of that. And then for the magnesium, you need 1/4 teaspoon. And that's one of those. And that's it. And then I usually do just kind of whisk it together. So what I took out of here is a minuscule amount. These are gonna last you forever. I've been using this for a long time and I barely have scratched the surface of it. It's 10 times cheaper than Element or Noon. So it's just amazing. It's so easy to make it at home. I just make one in the morning and then it's all ready to go for me for the gym. So let me know if you make it in the comments below. And yeah, enjoy. Let's save our money and keep ourselves hydrated.